Hey guys, it's Mason's National here. Just getting you guys with a little update. Still got the Vic right here. Still right here. It's just today, or yesterday. Uh, I had gotten my mail. So we got some stuff. Boxes. Got the tank. And then we got got the intake. So now I'm not gonna do this today because I worked all day, and it's gonna be a big job. That's gonna be like a weekend job. Probably do one and then the other, so that I'm not like overwhelming myself with a project. That was a lot. It was kind of heavier than I thought it was. But we'll go ahead and unbox the intake at least. I think I might paint it because these things are known for cracking and stuff, and I feel like paint might help. I don't know. But this is like the third intake I've gone through with this car, so I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so there we go. I bought all this stuff off Rock Auto. Actually, I think this was Amazon. Oh yeah, Amazon. So Amazonian special. Alright. Looks like this is the right side. Ooh. Some good packaging. Oh. Would you look at that? A brand new hardware alternator bracket. I'll probably wait for that. And then I got the intake in here. Ooh. Oh, that's wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow, that thing looks nice. This is how it's supposed to go in the car. This would be the front side, because this is for the coolant. Wow. Alright. That's nice. I like that. I'll show you what's underneath the car now. It's not pretty. Oh. Oh, heck. Forgot I need to get new shocks for the hood. Alright, nice. Here we go. Got a flashlight. Yeah. This intake. This thing kind of looks nasty. That's this right here. That's the alternator. It came with an alternator bracket. Yeah. So this is what we'll be changing out with that other one. That other one looks way nicer than this. Is it? Check if there's any differences. Kinda. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, majorly. This new one might be better, in my opinion. This car was quick, but that's all it was. It was just quick. It's never like spectacular, amazing. You know, it's a Crown Vic. It's not a Camaro. Have raced many a Camaros though. I ain't saying nothing about Camaros. I'll just say that. I ain't saying nothing about Camaros. But where are your other doors? Yeah, I got the intake. Gas tank. I already know it is because you can hear it. But yeah, after this I'm going to be working on my lawnmower for a bit. Until I'm about ready to go inside, and then I'll leave this off. Hopefully it'll be enough for a video. Maybe not. Yeah, just let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and deuces.